I just got these new ones, and these old ones I'm gonna start fixing. They need a good clean and a good polish so we can make them look like these over here. I'm be heading out to Walmart in a bit. We'll see what we can find over there. Ooh, that's nice right there. It's a nice little. Bought the aluminum wheel clean, and then I bought that famous what is it called? Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, and some plier pads. So these are gonna be the wheels. These are the new ones I got. Got them shipped yesterday, and I put them on yesterday as well. And these are the old ones. As you can see, the old ones, they do need a very deep clean and a nice polish for a nice finish. So you wash it first with water, and then we're gonna be using this, letting it sit for 30 seconds, cleaning it, and again with water.
Nice already.
And then you wash it. Applying the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Stand it up a little bit. A little bit, huh? Yep, just a little bit. Battery exhausted.